Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to connect a universal stylus pen to your Xiaomi Pad 6, it can feel a bit confusing, especially when nothing pops up on the screen after turning the stylus on. Many users expect an automatic pairing like branded stylus pens, but universal styluses work differently. Some don't require any connection at all, while others use Bluetooth and need manual pairing. This difference often leads people to think their stylus isn't working. The good thing is that once you understand your stylus type and follow the correct method, you can get it working smoothly in just a few steps and start writing or drawing without any issues. Try these. Step 1. Check if your stylus is Bluetooth enabled or passive. Step 2. If Bluetooth, press and hold the power, pairing button on the stylus. Step 3. On your Xiaomi Pad 6, go to Settings then Bluetooth. Step 4. Turn on Bluetooth and look for your stylus device name. Step 5. Tap to pair and connect the stylus. Step 6. Test the stylus on your screen to confirm it's working.